Welcome, TikTok enthusiasts. In this step-by-step guide, we will guide you through the process of deleting your viewing history on TikTok. Follow these simple steps to take control of what stays and what goes, ensuring that your TikTok experience is as personalized as you desire. Let's dive in and cleanse your TikTok journey. First, enter your TikTok application. Click on your profile. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now, click on the Settings and Privacy option. Click on Activity Center. Choose the first option, Watch History. On the top right side of the screen, click on a Select and choose what you want to delete. If you want to delete the entire watch history, at the bottom left of the screen, press the Select All Watch History option. Once you've done that, click on Delete. Click on Delete again. Now, your watch history is deleted. If you liked the video, press like and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, goodbye.